Hello little star, welcome back to Wonder Kids Online School, the place where learning is always fun. Today, we're diving into chapter 5 of our class 5 English book. The story is called Rip Van Winkle, and trust me, it's going to be exciting. Many years ago, at the foothills of the Catskill Mountains, was a little village. In the village lived a simple, good-natured fellow named Rip Van Winkle. बहुत साल पहले कैट्सकल पहाड़ों के नीचे एक छोटा सा गांव था। उस गांव में एक सीधा सादा और भला आदमी रहता था जिसका नाम था रिप वैन विंकल। He was a kind neighbor, ready to help anyone. Everyone in the village liked him. The children of the village shouted with joy whenever they saw him. Because he played with them, he taught them to fly kites and shoot marbles and told them long stories. वो एक दयालु पड़ोसी था जो हर किसी की मदद करने को तैयार रहता था। गांव का हर आदमी उसे पसंद करता था। गांव के बच्चे उसे देखते ही खुशी से चिल्ला उठते थे क्योंकि वो उनके साथ खेलता था, उन्हें पतंग उड़ाना और कंचे खेलना सिखाता था और उन्हें लंबी कहानियां सुनाया करता था। The only problem with Rip was that he was very lazy. He did no work on his own farm and just idled away his time. His fences were falling to pieces. His cow was going astray. Weeds grew on his farm. वह रिप की एक ही समस्या थी, वो बहुत ही आलसी था। वो अपने खेत में कोई काम नहीं करता था और बस यूं ही समय बर्बाद करता रहता था। उसकी बाड़ें टूट रही थी, उसकी गाय इधर उधर भटकती रहती थी, उसके खेत में घास फूस और झाड़ियां उगाई थी। Rip's constant companion was his dog, named Wolf. To avoid work, he would walk away into the forest with his dog. रिप का हमेशा साथ निभाने वाला साथी उसका कुत्ता था जिसका नाम वुल्फ था। काम से बचने के लिए वो अपने कुत्ते के साथ जंगल की ओर निकल जाता था। One day, Rip just walked on and reached the highest part of the mountains. It was late in the afternoon when he reached there. Tired after his long climb, he lay down and began daydreaming. It was soon evening and he realized it would be night by the time he reached his village. एक दिन रिप चलते चलते पहाड़ों के सबसे ऊंचे हिस्से तक पहुंच गया। जब वो वहां पहुंचा तो दोपहर ढल चुकी थी। लंबी चढ़ाई के बाद वो थक गया था, इसलिए वो लेट गया और दिन में ही सपना देखने लगा। थोड़ी ही देर में शाम हो गई और उसे एहसास हुआ कि जब तक वो अपने गांव पहुंचेगा तब तक रात हो चुकी होगी। Suddenly, he heard a voice calling out, "Rip Van Winkle, Rip Van Winkle." He looked around and saw a short, old man with thick hair and a grizzled beard, walking towards him with a barrel. He made signs to help him carry the barrel. Rip hurried to help the stranger who caught his hand tightly. अचानक उसने एक आवाज सुनी, रिप वैन विंकल, रिप वैन विंकल। उसने इधर उधर देखा और एक छोटा बूढ़ा आदमी दिखा जिसके बाल घने और दाढ़ी सफेद थी। वो एक बैरल के साथ उसकी ओर आ रहा था। उस आदमी ने इशारे से बैरल उठाने में मदद मांगी। रिप जल्दी से उसकी मदद करने के लिए दौड़ा। उस बूढ़े आदमी ने उसका हाथ मजबूती से पकड़ लिया। Together they reached a place where there were some more odd-looking men playing ninepins. They were all dressed the same way and all of them had beards of various shapes and colors. Even though they were playing a game, their faces were serious and there was silence. The only sound was the noise of the balls, which echoed in the mountains like thunder. As Rip and his companion reached them, they stopped playing and stared at Rip with a fixed gaze. Rip was really frightened. His companion emptied the contents of the barrel into glasses and made Rip drink it. Rip obeyed as he was trembling with fear. Since he was thirsty, he drank a few more glasses and slowly fell into a deep sleep. जैसे ही रिप और उसका साथी वहां पहुंचे, वे सब खेलना बंद कर रिप को घूरने लगे। रिप सच में बहुत डर गया था। उसका साथी बैरल से सारा सामान गिलासों में उड़ेलने लगा और रिप को पीने के लिए कहा। रिप डर के मारे कांप रहा था, फिर भी उसने उसकी बात मानी। चूंकि उसे बहुत प्यास लगी थी, उसने कुछ और गिलास पी लिए और धीरे धीरे गहरी नींद में सो गया। On waking up, he found that he was at the place where he had first met the old man. He rubbed his eyes. It was a bright sunny morning. Surely, I have not slept here all night. उसने वुल्फ को चारों ओर ढूंढा, लेकिन वो कहीं नजर नहीं आया। रिप ने उसे बुलाने के लिए सीटी बजाई पर कहीं भी कोई कुत्ता दिखाई नहीं दिया। ये कुत्ता कहाँ चला गया? वह बड़बड़ाया। वह अपने गांव लौटने के लिए पहाड़ी से नीचे उतरने लगा। As he neared the village, he met a number of people but he didn't know any of them. The villagers also stared at him equally surprised. Who is this man? An old woman walked up to him and looked at his face for a moment. Then she exclaimed, "It is Rip Van Winkle. Welcome home again, old neighbor. Where have you been these 20 long years?" एक बूढ़ी औरत उसके पास आई और कुछ पल उसके चेहरे को गौर से देखती रही। फिर उसने कहा, "अरे, ये तो रिप वैन विंकल है। तुम्हारा स्वागत है, पुराने पड़ोसी। तुम 20 सालों से कहाँ गायब थे?" Hello little star, it's exercise time. True or false? Rip was kind to children. The answer is true. Rip was a hardworking man. The answer is false. The short old man on the mountain was his constant companion. The answer is false. Rip helped the old man on the mountains because he wanted to have a drink from the barrel. The answer is false. Rip was away for 20 years because he was asleep on the mountains. The answer is true. The drink from the barrel made him fall asleep for 20 years. The answer is true. अगर आपको यह वीडियो पसंद आया हो तो लाइक करें, सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल आइकन दबाएं ताकि अगला मजेदार वीडियो आपसे न छूटे।